Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr.Kay English Channel. I'm Kay, and this is Booney. She's here to practice with us today.
Hi guys, let's make do, does, did super easy.
Booney, do you like studying grammar?
I do, but only when it's simple.
Did you study English yesterday?
Yes, I did. And does this lesson help?
It does. Like, subscribe, and comment to support the channel.
Comment, I can use do, does, did, and tell us where you're watching from.
If you say he do or did you went, don't worry.
In this video, we'll fix it with one clear rule and real practice.
Stay till the end, you'll speak with confidence. Step 1. The big idea. Do, does, did. Okay, step 1. Let's make it super clear. What are do, does, did?
They're helping verbs. They help you make questions and negative sentences.
Right. They don't carry the main meaning. The main verb does that.
Example, you work. The verb work has the meaning.
Now let's make a question.
Do you work?
Good. Do helps the sentence become a question. Let's do a quick pattern. Positive. You work.
Question, do you work?
Negative. You don't work.
Easy.
Here's the most important rule for today. Ready?
I'm ready.
After do, does, did, the main verb stays in the base form.
Base form means the dictionary form. Go, eat, like, work, study.
Exactly. So we say, does he like, not likes.
And did you go, not went.
Let's practice with a very simple verb, like. Say, do you like pizza?
Do you like pizza?
Short answer?
Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Perfect. Now change to past with did.
Did you like the movie?
Short answer?
Yes, I did. No, I didn't.
Great. So step 1 is simple. Do, does, did help questions and negatives. After them, the verb is base form.
Can we do a mini conversation now?
Yes. Copy this. Do you study English?
Yes, I do.
Do you practice speaking?
Sometimes I do.
Did you practice yesterday?
No, I didn't.
That's okay. Today you will.
That already feels useful.
Good. Step 2 will make it even easier. Step 2. Do in the present. I, you, we, they. Step 2 is do. We use do in the present with I, you, we, they.
Let's list it clearly.
I do. You do. We do. They do.
Now let's build sentences.
Positive sentences in simple present usually don't need do.
Right. We say, I work, you work.
But for questions and negatives, we use do. A. Questions with do. Do you work?
Do we need a subject after do?
Yes. Pattern, do plus subject plus base verb.
Example, do you play soccer?
Exactly. Let's drill. I ask, you answer short. Do you like coffee?
Yes, I do.
Do you live in a big city?
No, I don't.
Do you study every day?
Yes, I do.
Nice. B. Negatives with do.
Now negatives. We use don't.
Right. Do not becomes don't.
Pattern, subject plus don't plus base verb.
Examples. I don't eat meat. You don't know him. We don't have time. They don't like rain. Your turn. Make 3 negative sentences.
Okay. I don't drink soda. We don't watch TV at night. They don't speak Japanese.
Great. Clear and natural. Let's do a real-life mini role play. Situation: 2 friends at a cafe.
Okay.
Do you come here often?
Yes, I do. Do you like this place?
I do. Do you want coffee or tea?
I want tea. Do they have green tea?
Yes, they do. Do you want sugar?
No, I don't. I like it plain.
Do you have time to chat?
Yes, I do. I don't need to hurry today.
Nice. I don't have much work either.
That sounds like real English.
Exactly. Now, step 3 is the most common mistake. Step 3. Does in the present. He, she, it. Step 3. Does. This is for he, she, it.
Many learners say he do, but it's he does.
Correct. Questions with does. Pattern. Does plus he, she, it plus base verb.
Base verb again, no S after does.
Examples. Does he work here? Does she like pizza? Does it open at 9?
Let's compare. He likes pizza. Positive. Does he like pizza? Question.
Perfect. Negatives with does. Negative, doesn't. Pattern. He, she, it plus doesn't plus base verb. Examples. He doesn't drive. She doesn't eat spicy food. It doesn't work.
Quick drill. Fix these mistakes.
Okay, say the wrong sentence first.
She don't like it.
Correct sentence, she doesn't like it.
He do work today.
He does work today, or just he works today.
Does she likes coffee?
Does she like coffee?
Great.
Real-life role play, talking about a friend. Let's practice does in conversation. Topic, your friend.
Okay.
Does your best friend speak English?
Yes, she does. She speaks a little.
Does she study every day?
No, she doesn't. She studies on weekends.
Does she watch English videos?
Yes, she does. She likes short lessons.
Does she practice speaking?
Sometimes she does, but she doesn't feel confident.
That's normal. Does she feel nervous?
Yes, she does. She doesn't want to make mistakes.
But mistakes are good. They help you learn.
I like this. It's useful for real conversations.
Good. Now, step 4. Past time.
Step 4. Did in the past. Everyone.
Step 5 is did. We use it for the past with everyone.
I, you, we, they, he, she, it all use did.
And the verb is base form again. A. Questions with did. Pattern. Did plus subject plus base verb.
Examples. Did you go out last night? Did he call you? Did they finish the work?
Common mistake. Did you went?
Wrong. It must be, did you go?
B. Negatives with did. Negative, didn't. Pattern. Subject plus didn't plus base verb.
Examples. I didn't go. She didn't see it. They didn't come.
C. Real conversation, yesterday. Let's do a yesterday chat.
Okay.
Did you wake up early yesterday?
Yes, I did. I woke up at 7.
Did you eat breakfast?
No, I didn't. I was busy.
Did you drink coffee?
Yes, I did.
Did you work all day?
Yes, I did. I didn't have much free time.
Did you study English?
I did. I studied for 20 minutes.
Nice. Did you practice speaking?
No, I didn't, but I want to today.
Perfect. Notice how easy it is. Did plus base verb.
Yes, no went, no ate after did. Only base verbs.
Now, step 5 will connect everything and make you fluent in using them.
Step 5. Mix and master. Questions plus short answers plus common traps.
Step 5 is where we mix everything.
This is the step that makes you fast.
The quick timeline. Present plus I, you, we, they, do. Present plus he, she, it, does. Past plus everyone, did.
And after them, base verb.
Short answers, supernatural. Many learners answer too long. Let's practice short answers.
Copy this rhythm.
Do you like this lesson?
Yes, I do.
Does it help you?
Yes, it does.
Did you understand step 4?
Yes, I did.
Great. Now, negative short answers. Do you study at 3 a.m.?
No, I don't.
Does Booney hate grammar?
No, she doesn't.
Did you eat pizza yesterday?
No, I didn't.
Great. Common traps. Noi dong ngai. Let's fix the top traps quickly.
I'll say the wrong sentence, you fix it. He do like it.
He does like it. Or he likes it.
Does she likes coffee?
Does she like coffee?
Did you went home?
Did you go home?
She didn't went.
She didn't go.
They doesn't know.
They don't know.
That's clear.
Full role play. Meeting a new friend. Final role play. Imagine you meet someone new.
Okay, let's go.
Hi, do you come here often?
Yes, I do. Do you live near here?
Yes, I do. I live 2 streets away. What about you?
I don't live near here. I work nearby.
Oh, nice. Do you work in an office?
Yes, I do. I work in a small office.
Cool. Does your job require English?
Yes, it does. I write emails in English.
Does your boss speak English?
Yes, he does. He speaks very well.
Does he speak fast?
Yes, he does. Sometimes I don't understand him.
That's normal. Did you start learning English recently?
Yes, I did. I started last month.
Did you study in school before?
I did, but I didn't practice speaking.
Did you feel shy?
Yes, I did. I didn't want to make mistakes.
And now?
Now I want to speak more. I don't want to stop.
That's the mindset. Do you want a quick practice plan?
Yes, I do.
Great. Do 5 minutes every day.
I can do that.
One more thing. Sometimes do, does, did can add strong emotion.
Like, I do want to learn.
Yes. Or he does like you.
Or, I did call you.
Exactly. It sounds natural and confident. Today you learned do, I, you, we, they, present, does, he, she, it, present, did, past.
And after them, base verb.
Comment your answers. Do you study English every day? Does your friend study English? Did you study yesterday?
We will read your comments.
Thanks for watching Mr.Kay English Channel.
Keep practicing, one small step every day.
See you next time. Bye.